Where is Aquarius? Cancer, Gemini, Taurus, Aquarius. I'm gonna take this. Ow, I just hit my elbow so hard. Thank you. Can we go to the next house, please? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be doing something super fun. I got so many requests from you guys to do the Zodiac makeup challenge. So I was like, what is that exactly? So I looked it up and I found that a few other people have done this. Nikki Tutorials did one. I saw that Glam and Gore did one, and Natalia Taylor, she did one. I loved hers, and so I mixed all of them together and kind of put my own twist on it, and this is what we got. I really enjoyed doing this. If you know me, you follow me on all the platforms, I love learning about zodiacs. I have a book right here. Where is it? Oh, right here. Actually, it's kind of open already. I have been reading this. I'm on chapter 4, The Ascendant. I obviously love learning about zodiacs, astrology. Let me know if you're interested. I'm always interested in the zodiacs because I love to learn about traits and behaviors and why they do things, and I feel like I learn about people more. I don't know, it could be totally fake, but in my head, I'd like to think that it's real. I am an Aquarius. So the Aquarius birthday is January 20th through February 18th. My moon is a Taurus, so you guys know if you're not really vibing with the sun sign, then it's probably because you're a different moon sign. I would look into it. It took me a while to understand it, but I think it's so interesting. So I did a whole video on giving myself a zodiac makeover. I'm so happy you guys suggested this video because it was so fun to do. Not only did I just do the zodiac makeup, but there's also zodiac brows, zodiac hairstyles, outfits, tops, bottoms, shoes, sunglasses. It's crazy. Actually, there's even, which I think this is just for fun, if you're an Aquarius, you're most likely going to like a creamy caramel mocha. Yes, that is me. I'm raising my hand. That is like my drink. I love that it's so on point for me. So do you guys think this is true for your sign? Like, look at it, see if your drink is something that you actually like. Is that weird? Is that crazy? Or is it like totally off and wrong? Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And let's get into this video. Okay, so first we're gonna get into the makeup. I'm gonna just put my hair back in these little pins. They're so cute. They're from Kisch. I'll have them linked below. So I'll put my hair like that so it's out of my face. The first thing I want to get into is the brows. I already did my brows like early this morning. So I just want to see for fun what type of zodiac brow I'm supposed to have. So take a look at these brows to see if your zodiac sign brow matches your face. Here we go. You know what's weird? It says Aquarius, Taurus, and Pisces have more of a rounded brow that's kind of like high and round. And I feel like, is that my brow? Does that not look like my brow? It's pretty like rounded and high. That is weird. That's kind of crazy. So if I were to have done my brows, it would have been like this, so. But I just wanna put some type of primer on my face. I've been using this one from Sweet Chef. This is the Kale plus Vitamin B shot. Hydrates and soothes dry skin. So I'm gonna put this all over. I even put it on my hands. Like I put it everywhere because I put way too much serum on, so I just put it everywhere all over. I couldn't find every single step to the makeup that the Zodiac should have. I'm just gonna put on this foundation. I'm using the Matte and Poreless Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation. I have two shades here that I'm gonna kind of mix together. Pure Beige and Soft Tan. I haven't used this one in a while, but I know that it's bomb. I'm gonna save concealer, contour, bronzer, all that stuff to the end. But for now, I'm gonna get into the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna pull up the Zodiac eyeshadow that you should be wearing, supposedly. Do you think that this shape goes with your Zodiac sign? I think that mine actually does go with mine because I love a halo eye. But I feel like the colors that they're using are all the same. So I don't think it's based on color. It's more about the style of the eyeshadow. Now we're gonna choose the colors that we're supposed to be using in this eyeshadow look. So I have this Signs palette and mine are purples and blues. So I know for sure that the Aquarius stone is an amethyst, so that's purple. And it goes with Aquarius. When I think of purple, I think of Aquarius. I think a lot of people think of blue because aqua, Aquarius, it's the water bear, but it's actually not water. It's the bear of water. And Aquarius sign is an air sign, so it's not a water sign. So I'm gonna figure out which palette I wanna use. I have a few different palettes in front of me that have purples and blues in them. I have the Celestial Storm palette, which has that really beautiful, like this is definitely a Zodiac type of palette. And then I have some of the Huda Beauty purple and blues here. I have a book, it's called The Stars Within You. If you're into astrology or zodiac signs, definitely get it because it is so good. It really breaks it down. So as I talk about it, I can actually read from the book. Let's see what the personality traits of the Aquarius zodiac are. Maybe I should do this while I'm doing my makeup. So I'll start off with a light color as a background shade. And I have the Huda Beauty lilac, the pastel lilac. I'm gonna start off with like a very soft purple. So I'm gonna take this. I want this to be a light wash, so I'm not gonna go in too heavy with it. I'm just gonna go lightly in the overall crease area, and let's see what it has to say. So it says Aquarius born are shy and quiet, but on the other end, they can be eccentric and energetic. So I definitely resonate with being shy and quiet, but eccentric and energetic at the same time. I don't think it happens all at the same time. It's definitely like either or, and it also depends on like who's around. However, in both cases, they are deep thinkers. Yep. Highly intellectual people who love helping others. I love helping others. That has been my overall goal in life, is to help people in some way. They are able to see without prejudice on both sides, which makes them people who can easily solve problems, although they can easily adapt to the energy that surrounds them. Aquarius born have a deep need to be some time alone. They wrote that wrong, but okay. People born under the Aquarius sign look at the world as a place full of possibilities. That whole paragraph is me. I am a true Aquarius. Like I can totally, that's just my personality right there. I'm gonna take that shade, those two shades, and bring them down to the lower half of the lash line so I can have that soft purple background. Do you guys believe in this, or do you guys think it's just total nonsense? I read some horoscopes that I'm like, this is ridiculous. Like anybody could relate to that. So there's certain sites that I like more than others. Cafe Astrology is one of my favorite sites to get your birth chart. You have to know like the time you were born and everything, but it tells you way too much information. I actually don't know very many Aquariuses. I do have a lot of Scorpios in my life, which I don't know if that makes sense because we're supposed to be the total opposites, but maybe that's why it makes sense. I don't know. I'm actually gonna take this fluffier brush, this one right here from Hank & Henry, the Savvy brush, and I'm just gonna make sure that everything is nice and soft. Now that we have that lilac backdrop, I'm gonna go in with Astrology from the Celestial Storm palette from Dominique Cosmetics on a Sigma detailed blending brush. I'm gonna go really low. I don't wanna bring it up too high. And then I'm gonna go back and forth into Astrology to deepen up the color gradually as I talk about the Aquarius zodiac. So the next thing is Aquarius is an air sign, and as such uses their mind at every opportunity. If there's no mental stimulation, they are bored. Yep, and lack of motivation to achieve the best result. I do constantly look up new information. Like I love learning new things every day, and I'm constantly looking up new facts. But I'm sure there's a lot of other people out there just like that like to look up random facts. I'm gonna go back into the lilac color from the Huda Beauty palette and just kind of sweep it above that Astrid Lust color because I feel like it's a little harsh. So the halo part, I want it to be like a light, pretty blue shimmer or glitter. I'm not really sure which one yet. I have a few different ones in front of me. With the Celestial Storm palette, you do have that really pretty purple that I wanna use, and the blue, like that turquoise. It is a topper and it doesn't have a base, so it has a lot of those pearls. So I'm gonna just start off light with Stargaze and use that right in the center. I'm just gonna test it out. I'm hoping it doesn't look too intense. Wow, that's pretty. Uranus has a timid, abrupt, and sometimes aggressive nature, but also gives Aquarius a visionary quality. They are capable of perceiving the future, and they know exactly what they want to be doing 5 or 10 years from now. Power of quick and easy transformation. So they are known as thinkers, progressives, and humanists. They feel good in a group or a community, so they constantly strive to be surrounded by other people. So the next part I'm gonna get into is the brow highlight. I did not intentionally mean to do this, but it just happens to flow together. So I'm gonna use Eternal Light on my brow bone. Oh, this is such a pretty color. You know, initially when I was making this palette, I wanted it to be a Zodiac palette, but there were so many Zodiac palettes out there. I was like, let me not make it a Zodiac palette. I'll theme it like space. So that's why we came up with Celestial Storm. Ooh, that is pretty. I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and just soften and diffuse all of the shades. The sign of Aquarius represents the opposition, and it is not easy for this woman to settle the conflict she carries within. And when she gets hurt too many times, she easily closes her heart and moves on with her life from a strictly rational point. Pretty on point. This is a good site. What is this? Astrology, Zodiac, Signs.com. And just so you guys know, I am reading this while I'm not doing my makeup. So you're gonna see my mouth not moving and me talking because it's a lot at one time, okay? And I don't have a helper to read out my horoscope. Also gonna take Electric Amethyst just because she's so pretty. And greatest overall compatibility is a Leo or a Sagittarius. So our strengths are progressive, original, independent, humanitarian. And then our weaknesses runs from emotional expression, uncompromising, and aloof. I could see some people thinking of me like this if they don't really know my personality. Being aloof, like I get that. Aquarius likes fun with friends, helping others, fighting for causes, intellectual conversation, and she's a good listener. I love listening to other people. I listen more than what I talk when I'm with friends, so that makes sense. It says the Aquarius dislikes limitations, broken promises, being lonely, dull or boring situations, people who disagree with them. That's funny. For the waterline, I'm gonna take a blue, and I'm gonna use this one from Makeup Forever. I swatched it on my hand and it wasn't giving me like an intense blue, but we're gonna try to make it work. Out of all of the signs, Aquariuses are usually known as being the weirdest of all of the signs just because they're very unpredictable and you just don't know what to expect from them, and I think that's very true. This blue is actually really pretty. I wish it felt a little bit more creamy on the eye, but it's doing the job. I have this eyeshadow from MAC. It's called In the Shadows. Oh, there's a deeper blue. This one from the Huda palette. That's the kind of blue I'm looking for. I'll mix them together. Just like a little something to lift the eye. Like a little soft something, nothing too crazy. And you guys, I mainly do this even with no matter what look I'm doing. I kind of wing out the eye just a little bit because I don't like when my eye looks so rounded. And naturally, I feel like it's a little bit more rounded. So you don't have to do this part. You can totally skip it. If my eyes were shaped that way, then I probably wouldn't be putting a liner. I feel like I need a deeper purple on the sides. There is this purple here. It's like a plum. So I'm gonna take that just so we can deepen this corners out a little more. So now I'm gonna put some mascara and lashes on. I couldn't find like a Zodiac lash pattern, but for this look, I want something a little more drama. Let's see how these look. These are from House of Lashes in Siren. Element is air, quality is fixed, keyword is I know. Colors are violet, the color of insight and the future. I think the moon is how people see you, and the sun sign, which is Aquarius, is how you actually feel inside. So my moon is Taurus, and they are known for being hard-headed, but loving really hard and being super affectionate. Obviously, like, me on YouTube is gonna be a little bit different than me in real life because I'm in different situations, just not filming, you know, in a quiet setting. I really love the feel of this concealer. It's a little too dark for a brightener, but I just cannot stop using it. I need to get a lighter shade, but it actually looks pretty light with this foundation, so I'm not mad at it. I think we'll just keep it. What should I be working as an Aquarius? That would be a good one. So Aquarius is an astronaut. I actually, when I was really young, probably 5, I wanted to either be a singer or an astronaut. I would love to look up at the sky at night and just analyze the stars and where the moon is and what is past this sky or whatever it was. I was so curious and always looking up stuff. And I was like, I just want to go up there. I want to be an astronaut. So I'm going to take my Jouer contour in filigree, contour my little nose, and bring it around the sky. I usually would use my favorite brush to do this, but I don't know where it's at. I'm going to take the Tantastic bronzer, bronze up my face. It's just going to warm it up. Just pretend like we were out in the sun. And then I'm going to contour with the Benefit Hoola bronzer, just to contour my cheeks a little bit. Now we're going to make sure everything is set in place. I'm going to use my Kat Von D Lock It Setting Powder in medium 140. I have just totally stopped using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder lately and have just been using this because of the coverage, and the brightening is so instant. For the blush, I'm going to use the Persona Super Blush in Caramel. So I'm going to apply this blush with the Juno & Co. blush brush right on the cheeks. And I'm going to drape it right above my brow. The Aquarius lip color is this like nudie pink shade. There's two that I have. I have one that's like a more baby pink, and another one is more of like a nudie pink, like a more of a peach. I'm gonna make a mixture of both. I'm gonna use for lip liner, I'm gonna use the House Laboratories in the shade Myth. So let me see this shade, how it looks. I feel like this is a good in between. I'm gonna go with this. This is the MAC Burnt Spice. So now we're done with the makeup. So this is the Aquarius makeup. Now we're gonna do the hair. So your Zodiac supposedly has a specific hairstyle, and we're gonna check that out right now. My Zodiac hairstyle, it's this curly, long hair, more like beach wave. But so what I did was when I got out of the shower today, I just put mousse in my hair, and then it ends up like this. So it already has like natural waves in it. So I'll just take a little bit of hair from here. And that is my take on the Aquarius hairstyle, hopefully. For the tops. So it's really funny because I have like 3 of these shirts. A black crop top that's like a circle neck. I have this shirt. So I'm gonna put it on right now so that we can get the full effect of the Aquarius vibe. Oh, it even has bras, which I'm not gonna like put the bra on because it's not gonna make sense. I actually have this top, but it's a bathing suit that I wore as an actual top for Halloween when I was Laura Croft, right here in this photo. So that's a coincidence. The shorts, so my shorts right here have no holes in them. I actually have it right here. I have these shorts. Isn't that crazy? These exact shorts, and I'm an Aquarius. What do you know? And the next thing is shoes. It says Aquarius Yeezys. You guys, I wear these black shoes all the time, and they match with everything. I have the exact same shoes. My Zodiac Sunny is this style right here. Intuitive, creative, and ravish. So are you kidding me? I have these. I have everything on the charts. Does that mean something? Is that a coincidence? I don't know. I'm gonna go put on the outfit, give myself the makeover, and come back to you guys in full Aquarius vibes. I'll be back. Okay, I am back in full Aquarius attire. I have the black top with the sunnies and the hair and the Yeezys. I'm very pale right now, so don't judge me. And the cool makeup and the like purpley blue makeup, which I feel like I could totally wear this. I wouldn't think to wear this together because I mean, I've been in the house all day, but this is cute. I like it. And then this necklace, I mean, it's just cute. By the way, I lost like 10 pounds. I have no butt anymore. These used to fit me really tight. But yeah, this is the full Aquarius outfit. Hold on, how do we fit it all into the screen? Do you guys think this is an Aquarius look? Like if you're an Aquarius, do you think you could wear this? Like would you see yourself wearing this? I like it. I'm feeling everything about this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the final look of the face. Insert posing shots. Also, if you want to see more Zodiac sign makeovers, hit the thumbs up button so I can know that you want to see more. And I have 2 other videos over there. If you haven't checked them out, go watch them. They're waiting for you. And before you leave, I just want to let you know that you are beautiful inside and out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.